Top 10 Drug Rehabs in Macon. Whether it's you, a family, a friend, or anyone you know is suffering from drug abuse, it's important that treatment is given to achieve full recovery. To prevent the risk of relapse and falling further into the cruelty of substance abuse, seeking the help of the right people is a must. If you live near or are actually in Macon, these are the top 10 drug rehabs in the area. 10. Oconee Center Behavioral Health Services. Oconee Center Behavioral Health Services is known for their addictive disease outpatient services, or ADOPS, that provide top-of-the-line drug abuse treatments to patients who are aged 18 and beyond. Aside from this, they also have individual and family counseling sessions as well as crisis intervention programs. 9. Health Quest Frontiers LLC. Health Quest Frontiers LLC is an outpatient narcotic treatment program that helps patients who suffer from opioid use disorder live a better life. Through their core services like individualized treatment plans and telecounseling sessions, they make the recovery process much more achievable for their patients. 8. Georgia Treatment Services LLC. Georgia Treatment Services LLC employs a combination of medication-assisted programs as well as counseling services to develop highly individualized treatment plans for patients who continuously suffer from drug abuse. The effective team working behind Georgia Treatment Services LLC is what makes them one of the top choices for people who come to cure their addiction. 7. Piedmont Counseling. Piedmont Counseling Services is a CARF International accredited organization that is focused on providing outpatient addiction services as well as assessment services. Throughout the pandemic, they continued to provide help suffering from drug abuse by having limited in-person and telehealth services via Skype, phone, FaceTime, and other means. 6. River Edge Billingsley Recovery Residence for Man. River Edge Billingsley Recovery Residence for Men is a part of River Edge's chain, which specifically caters to males aged 21 and above. They conduct treatment sessions that span from 9 to 12 months, depending on the severity of the client's situation, and they primarily employ evidence-based treatment. 5. LifeSpring Women's Substance Abuse Services. Under the umbrella of River Edge's Substance Abuse Services, the LifeSpring Women's Substance Abuse Services provide outpatient and residential treatment programs for women who are suffering and want to recover from drug addiction. Their treatments come in individual and group sessions, and they also provide discounts for patients without insurance and have low income. 4. Community Development Systems. The Community Development Systems is accredited by the Commission on Accreditation of Rehabilitation Facilities and is a leading facility in Macon for outpatient and telemedicine drug rehab services. Among their services are the adult and juvenile drug assessments, home evaluations, and individual, family, and group counseling. 3. McIntosh Trail. McIntosh Trail is a drug rehab that has a variety of treatments offered to patients who are suffering from drug abuse, whether recurring or not. They cater to men and women and employ a variety of programs such as inpatient and residential treatments and other aftercare programs. 2. Total Care Rehab Center. The Total Care Rehab Center is a drug rehab that was created in order to help drug abuse victims in Macon recover from their situation. They have a team of medical professionals that provide individualized treatments, as well as support groups that work together to help with the battle of drug addiction. 1. River Edge Foundation. River Edge Foundation is focused on helping patients aged 18 years and above to recover from substance abuse and the risk of relapsing. They specifically do it through a series of activities that are both fun and recognizable to people, so that they don't have to turn to drugs anymore. These activities like yoga classes and movie nights are partnered with recovery-focused meetings that are done both individually and by groups. These are 10 of the best drug rehabs in Macon. And if you or anyone you know is suffering from drug abuse and is within the area, do not hesitate to visit any of these rehabs to get started with your recovery. We also have a designated addiction specialists that you can contact at any time of the day to further help with your road to recovery.
Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.